And I also like to use the OnGuard Concentrate Cleaner for camping. So here I've got a HG Clear foaming pump bottle, which I've just taken off the sticker, and I use it, just fill it up similar to how I do, but I actually will probably just do straight concentrate, because if I'm taking it camping or somewhere else, it'll actually be even more concentrated and I can use it for a variety of uses. So again, mostly dishes or washing hands. Sometimes I will also do something like this for OnGuard hand wash or body wash. Yeah, so it's quite versatile and a good way of reusing those foaming pumps, because on its own I think you could probably buy 2 of these for $6 normally, so it's quite a good way of saving money on supplies as well. So we've just come back from camping, and as you can see, that wasn't quite all the way full and we've only had a little bit left, but I was quite frugal in my washing techniques, so trying to save washing liquid as well as water, because we had to pour all our water to our campsite. And yeah, so 3 nights of camping and I only used about that much of this, so that's quite good. Usually, even when I'm away on holidays in an apartment, I'll still bring one of these just to help washing dishes and things like that, because often they'll only give you a small supply or it'll be too harsh on your hands. So I really like using the OnGuard Cleaner Concentrate for that.